Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change server in Crystal of Atlan. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, in order to change the server and channel in Crystal of Atlan, you have to follow these steps. First, open the Crystal of Atlan game on your mobile device. Once you're in the game, simply tap on the map icon at the top right of your screen. Here, you'll see several options. Tap on the channel option. This will allow you to switch between different channels. However, keep in mind that changing channels is different from changing servers. In fact, if you check the official support page of Crystal of Atlan, the developers have clearly stated that you cannot change your server in the game. So while you can freely switch channels, your server will remain the same. And that's it. So that's basically how you can change server in Crystal of Atlan. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.